welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you my room. So I'll do a little room tour. It's a really simple room. Since 2 months I've been like shifting stuff around and buying new things, so I'm so excited to share this with you. Also, excuse my voice, I'm extremely sick. I just realized I've opened my windows and you can probably hear the traffic. Let's get started. So I'm gonna start off with just panning around my room. So this is how my room looks when you enter. The entire bed with the bed frame mattress is from IKEA, and yes, I mainly bought it because of the storage. My bedside table is from Target. The current bed cover is from Target as well, and so are most of my pillows. This pillow from Laura Ashley is one of my favorite ones. The grey and the green one are from H&M Home. Also, I store bed sheets, extra towels over here. That's a full-size double wardrobe. Moving on, this is how my bathroom looks like. It's a relatively small bathroom, and that's why I don't keep a lot of stuff on the countertop. And I thought the sprays looked really pretty there. And that's the shower, etc. And I keep my scrubs outside. And my favorite bathroom accessory has to be this coral I got from Zara Home. Also, if you're wondering where I keep my skincare and everyday makeup, I store it in separate containers like so. Just pull the box out and put it on the countertop. So walking back to my room, you can see the chest of drawers. They're from IKEA. I'm pretty sure they're called the mound drawers. So I store a couple of things on top, some perfumes and some lipsticks and eyeliners. These drawers are from Muji. They look really cool if you want to showcase things inside. And I keep my perfumes here. My go-to would be definitely Sea Intense by Giorgio Armani. Also, I recently found out Greylands Australia does amazing merch, and I have put on a discount code for you guys. You get 10% off. Anyways, I store most of my makeup, jewelry, accessories in these 4 drawers. I'm just gonna open one for you guys. I also added some green in my room. Sorry, I can't remember where I got this unit from, but I usually keep my candles lit there and my photo frame with my sister in it, and some everyday jewelry. So on my bedside table I keep essentials like water, have to have that all the time, my alarm clock, some hand cream, and definitely lip balm because we don't want to be crusty. Oh yes, and this beautiful frame was given by my best friend on my birthday. Thanks, Maya! So I think I got the lamp right above my bedside and this clothing rack from Bunnings. I usually keep seasonal things on the garment rack, like during winter. I keep coats and outerwear outside, but now it's spring's here, so I keep up my dresses, color coordinated of course. I have a really weird nook in the corner, so I try and put like my shoes on the side. And my new obsession, the bonsai.